In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a recruiter on LinkedIn. First off, navigating communication with recruiters on LinkedIn can be a real game changer for your career. It's about making connections, showing your professional interest, and seizing opportunities. That said, reaching out to a recruiter on LinkedIn should be done with thoughtfulness and professionalism. Let's walk through the process together. We begin by accessing the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, you have the option to sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. This is your gateway to a vast network of professionals, including recruiters in fields you're interested in. Once you're logged in, your journey continues at the search bar. This is a tool of infinite possibilities and where your search for the right recruiter starts. Type in the name of the recruiter you're looking to connect with. LinkedIn's powerful search engine will sift through millions of profiles to bring you closer to the right person. After executing the search, you might find yourself faced with several profiles. To ensure you're reaching out to the right individual, it's crucial to view their full profile. This step allows you to verify their current position, experience, and potentially shared connections or interests, which could be great starting points for your message. Upon confirming that you found the correct profile, look for the message button. This is your direct line to the recruiter. LinkedIn's messaging platform provides a space for you to craft a personal and professional message. It's vital to strike the right tone here. Be concise but informative, respectful but engaging. Your message should include a subject that captures the essence of why you're reaching out. Follow this by the body of your message, where you introduce yourself, mention why you're interested in connecting, and perhaps highlight a bit about your professional background or aspirations. Remember, this is not just a message, it's potentially the beginning of a professional relationship. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your message. Check for any typos or errors, and ensure your tone reflects your professional intentions. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and send it off into the LinkedIn universe, where possibilities await. Connecting with a recruiter on LinkedIn is a blend of art and science. It requires clarity, a bit of personal flair, and above all, professionalism. By following these steps, you're well on your way to expanding your professional network and opening doors to new opportunities. And remember, while reaching out is a critical first step, maintaining a professional online presence on LinkedIn is key. Engage with content relevant to your industry, share insights, and continue to foster connections. The impact of a well-crafted message can be profound, but it's your ongoing engagement that will truly build and sustain your professional relationships. That's how you can smoothly and effectively message a recruiter on LinkedIn. Here's to making meaningful connections that propel your career forward.